Hello my friends, my name is Ellen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen and the 390th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. Being a Southern girl, there's two things that I love, lemon and sweet tea. So today I'm going to share with all of you lemon sweet iced tea. And my friends, it is thebomb.com. It's going to be so delicious, simple and easy to make, and it's going to be full of fresh lemon goodness. Perfect on a hot summer day, and it will quench up your thirst. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my sweet tea recipes playlist from peach to strawberry to original. And my previous video, chocolate chip pancakes. I'll post link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your lemon, your water, and your tea sugar, because we're about to make some lemon sweet tea magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, I boiled 6 cups of water and I poured it in my large bowl. It's nice and hot. And we're going to add in 8 small tea bags. Or you can use 3 family size tea bags. Alright, so all we do now is let the tea steep for about 8 to 10 minutes. Alright my friends, the tea is nice and steep. Now we're ready to make our lemon sweet tea. In my pitcher, we're going to add in 1 cup of white sugar. And now we're going to add in the tea. And it'll help dissolve the sugar. The tea is still a little warm. Going to give it a quick stir. Alright, now we're going to add in 1 12 fluid ounce can of frozen lemonade concentrate that I thawed. A half a teaspoon of lemon extract. And a half a teaspoon of almond extract. Give that another stir. Smells good. Love the smell of lemon. Now it's time to add in our water. I'm using about 6 to 7 cups. Make sure your water is nice and cold. And stir it up really well. Alright my friends, our lemon sweet tea is complete. So now I'm about to fix me up a cup. I have my mason jars full with ice. Now we're going to add in our lemon tea. Now we're going to add a lemon wedge on the side. Some fresh mint. And 2 straws. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Southern lemon sweet iced tea. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Alright, here we go. Cheers. Cool and refreshing. Nothing but lemon goodness. This lemon sweet tea is amazing, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another sip. Yum-o. Lemon sweet tea delicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And also hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. or send me an email, ellenshomemade.delights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I see you next time. Much love and stay safe. Cheers.